Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to blur a part of a video in CapCut. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your CapCut application and then select new project and then select your video and select add. So if I just play this video here, you can see there have a two floor, and first floor I just want to blur. So what I need to do, first of all I just need to make this size smaller and then select effect option. Here you can see this is effect, select it and select video effect. I just select lens and here you can see blur option, select it, and right now I see this is blur effect already input. I just make it for whole video. So here you can see whole video already blur. So right now what I need to do, I just need to let's back. Right now you just need to select add overlay, select the same video again and select add. So right now here you can see this video is not full frame, you just need to make it full frame. Well done. Right now what you need to do, you just need to select second video and scroll and you find a option on here. I'm just going to show you mask option. Select this mask option, select rectangle and select your specific area where you actually want to blur. I select this and then on the bottom left side you can find the option invert option. Just select this invert option. Right now here you can see this specific area already blur. So right now save it and from top you can save it to your phone gallery. So right now if I just play this video, here you can see all video is not blur, just only a specific area already blur. So that's it guys, I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.